What's the meaning of alienation? Alienation. 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 Alienation.
Alienation refers to a state of feeling emotionally disconnected or estranged from others, oneself, or society. It can be caused by various factors such as social isolation, lack of meaningful relationships, or a sense of powerlessness and meaninglessness. As a result, alienation can lead to feelings of loneliness, depression, and anxiety. It can also result in a loss of identity and a lack of purpose, leaving individuals feeling detached and unengaged with their surroundings. Ultimately, alienation can have a negative impact on an individual's mental and emotional well-being.